Well, you want to drop your own GIF on Instagram comments instead of using others. Say less. First things first, go to giphy.com. Then go to login. Go to sign up and fill your information. After you have created an account, go and upload some cool videos. Select upload. Then choose GIF. Make sure that you're gonna need at least 5 GIFs to upload. And please don't upload something like that. You're gonna get banned. Let's upload some. The most important thing is that you're gonna need to put tags and then click upload. And we're gonna do this for 4 more times. After you have uploaded at least 5 GIFs, go to my channel and then upgrade account, go to creator account and fill up your information. After 3 or 4 business days, you're gonna get email like that. It says congratulations, your application for an official Giphy creator channel has been approved. You are now all set. You need to check on GIFs every day. Just go, upload, drop some GIFs. It's gonna take 3 or 4 days to shows up on Instagram comments like this one. Let's see this reel and check up for our GIFs.
God is real.
I don't think so. Okay, now go to GIFs. Oh, never mind. As you can see guys, I searched up for my Giphy username on Instagram comments GIFs, and then it shows up all my GIFs that I have uploaded. It's gonna take time, but it's worth it, trust me. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.